Hello everyone, it's Shamir here. Today we're going into the center and personalize your sales outreach with AI. AI tools is a super game changer for you to outreach. Personalized outreach with custom AI videos. With you can create a custom AI videos, dynamic pages, and enrich your contact data. It's a super automated your outreach. Create faster on Chrome. You can edit your Chrome from record video, and this automatically collected your leads and messages a personalized template or videos to your targeted leads or emails address through email address or outreach. Here is the license tier. You can buy license tier 3 or 4. That's suitable for you, and because all are activated here, you can access through this star 3 or 4. Okay, now I'm going into the Sendr IO, and this is the home interface. Here is the creating a table. You can create a table or outreach from the upload CSV file. You can also already created a file, then you can upload here. Scrap Apollo from your Apollo. Here is the data. I have no data yet. You can also link it in post comment. Here is the link in post comment. Just paste here into the comment, just like this. You can go here and create this, copy link to post, and here is the just paste it, and here's the continue. That's just create table, and automatically table are created here. Also you can like post LinkedIn post reactions, in the reaction just paste the URL, and reaction data are collected into your table. And also you can collect from the LinkedIn email addresses, and all our collection from here. It's automatically you can create this template. If you are a non-techie person, then you can also create this very easy. Just go through there and edit your navigation section, focus message, header, feature, dynamic logo, calendar, call to action, customer logos, FAQs, testimonial, footers. And you can check here, just change this option. So you can settings, variables, typography, buttons, animated gifs. You can create here to your own template and video template. These are templates through your email. You can outreach data. You can send your senders now automatically send you data through the outreaches. And so there's a contact for contracts. In this contract I not have added this first name, last name, job title, email address, the phone number, LinkedIn profile URL, country, industry, employee, all are here. To edit your in contracts, you can through contracts and lead. In this workflow sections, there is a personalized video for clay table. There is a you can trigger video creation, create a Jeff, social listening, instant DMs. There is a social listening instant DM. You just instant the social post. Sell to contact to mention question and yourself in your own brand mentioned. Workflow with K-Watch Sender. Create a dynamic video to use cases, set up your keyword alert triggers, and heavy reach automatically added your personal video to link and sequence to the contact. And onboarding to recent video is a half post personalized video onboarding. This is very game changing data for your lead collection. Thank you. Enjoy.